Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create a Microsoft Teams account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go of course to the Microsoft Teams official website on Google, and then let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the teams. So we have the products, all other products, the features, pricing, industries, resources, and support. And here we see get ready for the future of work with Microsoft Teams. Transform the way you work with the next generation AI capabilities and bring together your physical and digital worlds. Here, of course, you can go and download the Microsoft Teams. But first of all, let's see how you can actually go and, of course, create a Microsoft Teams account. So in the top right corner, as you can see, we have the, again, download Teams and the sign in option. You just need to go, of course, and click on the sign in option. Here, as you can see, just a second, you will have the opportunity to sign in. So if you, of course, don't have an account, as you can see, you have the no account, create one. You just need to go and click on create one to, of course, create your account. Here you can put your email address. So basically you can put your email address. Just a second. Then you just need to put the new, of course, address that you want. So for instance, whatever name you want to put in. So random.org. Then you click next. And then after clicking doing everything that you of course have, then you will have of course the account here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Till then, bye guys.